Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Auto Trim tool is probably one of the most versatile and essential gadgets for any car enthusiast or DIY mechanic looking to achieve professional-looking results when working on their vehicle's interior and exterior trim pieces. This innovative tool is designed to make the often delicate and challenging task of removing and installing trim clips, moldings, and panels significantly easier and safer, preventing the damage that can occur with traditional methods like screwdrivers or pry bars. Whether you're upgrading your car's audio system, replacing a damaged bumper, or simply performing routine maintenance, having the right tool can make all the difference in preserving the integrity and appearance of your car's components. Number 5. BYNIIUR Auto Trim Removal Tool Set. This high-quality terminal removal tool kit is perfect for automotive, boats, RVs, trucks, or furniture. It's designed for easy trim removal and installation, including car audio, door panels, and more. Our push retainer pin kit includes 8 common styles made from durable nylon fiber. They are designed to resist breakage, making them ideal for replacing door trim, fender, and bumper retainers. These self-adhesive cable clips attach firmly to smooth surfaces, helping you organize your car's cables effortlessly. Get creative with how you use them to keep your space tidy. Crafted from sturdy nylon with a unique ergonomic design, these tools are comfortable to hold. They are engineered to save you time and effort on tedious repairs and maintenance. This extensive kit includes everything you need, such as retainer clips, hook picks, stereo removal tools, and trim removal tools. You'll also find cable clips, pliers, and terminal removal tools for all your automotive needs. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for various automotive needs, including specialized tools for trim removal and cable management. If you're looking for an all-in-one package that can handle both interior paneling and cable organization, this is a great choice. It's particularly suitable for those who want to keep their car's interior tidy and functional. What people say. This is a very nice kit with great pieces to help you remove the door panel trim on your vehicle, and it also contains a bunch of fasteners in case you lose or break any. It didn't scratch anything and worked awesome. The clip puller is sturdy and trim tools are well made. Number 4. 4PCS Auto Door Clip Panel Trim Removal Tool Kit. Crafted from thick, premium plastic, these tools are built to last. They are super handy and a great addition to any toolbox. You'll receive a set of 4 different trim removal tools, all conveniently packaged in a paper box. You might receive new or old packaging. This professional-grade kit includes 4 incredibly useful tools for removing auto body trim and molding. They work on both interior and exterior trim pieces. Easily remove trim, molding, door panels, and dashboards with these tools. This versatile set saves you time and frustration, paying for itself quickly. Featuring an ergonomic and unique non-skid design, these tools allow for precise access under trim. They help you remove pieces correctly at the fastener point. What we like. This set provides essential tools made from durable, thick plastic, designed for a secure grip and easy handling. If you frequently work on car interiors and need reliable tools that won't slip, this 4-piece kit is a practical and cost-effective option. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts who want to tackle common trim removal tasks with confidence. What people say. The tool is very easy to use and makes removing trim pieces a breeze. It has a slim profile that allows it to get into tight spaces without damaging the surrounding area. The different shaped tips are great for various types of trim clips and fasteners. Number 3. Auto Trim Removal Tool Set, 4PCS No Scratch Plastic Pry Tool Kit. This premium grade set is perfect for safely removing trim, moldings, wheel hubs, door panels, and dashboards. They are designed to prevent scratches or surface damage during use, ensuring a pristine finish. Includes 4 specialized tools designed to handle automotive repairs with ease. They are ideal for use on cars, boats, RVs, and more, while maintaining a neat finish. Constructed from sturdy, flexible nylon material with ergonomic grips, these tools save effort and time on complex repair or maintenance tasks. They allow for precision handling. Lightweight and easy to store in your car or garage, these tools ensure you have the right equipment at your fingertips. They are perfect for quick modifications or repairs. Built with durable materials to handle tough jobs while protecting surfaces from scratches. They are ideal for interior and exterior repairs across multiple vehicles. What we like. Designed with scratch prevention as a top priority, these tools ensure a pristine finish on your vehicle's surfaces. If you're concerned about damaging delicate interior or exterior trim during removal, this set is ideal. Its universal application makes it a versatile choice for various vehicles and repair scenarios. What people say. These tools came quickly, and are very sturdy. I used ours to push a rubber ring while installing a new gas cap cover on Jeep, so much better than using a butter knife. Absolutely no scratch. This was very helpful when I had to change out the window controls on my car, easy to hold and to use. They're very sturdy, I use them a lot and the ends haven't chipped or anything. Small enough to just throw in my tool bag when I need them again. Tools worked well enough. Was able to remove my Jetta's dash trim easy without damaging it. Number 2. Poraxy 19 PCS Car Trim Removal Tool Kit. This comprehensive set includes 19 specialized tools designed for various automotive tasks. It's perfect for installing or removing car audio systems, door panels, and interior trim. Crafted from toughened nylon fibers, these tools are built for durability. They provide the strength needed to pry panels and remove retaining pins without causing damage. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, allowing you to easily access tight spaces. This saves you time and effort during interior and exterior car modifications. Keep your tools organized with the included portable zippered storage bag. You'll never have to worry about misplacing them after your project is complete. Beyond automotive use, these tools are also effective for furniture restoration. Their versatility makes them a valuable addition to any toolkit. The package contains everything you need: interior trim tools, fastener removers, stereo removal tools, terminal removal tools, clip removal pliers, and a storage bag. What we like. This extensive 19-piece kit offers a wide array of specialized tools for almost any trim removal task, all neatly organized in a portable bag. If you appreciate having a dedicated tool for every specific need and value organization, this set is an excellent investment. It's perfect for professionals or hobbyists who demand a complete and well-contained toolkit. What people say. The tools are sturdy and well-designed, ensuring that they won't easily bend or break during use. I appreciate the attention to detail in crafting these tools to be gentle on the car's surfaces, as scratching is a major concern when working with trims. Rest assured, this kit does its job without leaving any unsightly marks behind. The tools provided in this kit are effective in removing various types of trims without causing any damage. They provide the perfect amount of leverage to pry off stubborn pieces without putting excessive force on them. Even when dealing with tight spots, these tools prove to be versatile and reliable. The metal tools are great and tough, but even the plastic ones are a lot stronger and sturdier than I had expected. Toss in all of that, the sheer number of tools in here, as well as a nice case they all are stored in, and it was a no-brainer decision. Number 1. Neiko 20596B Auto Trim Panel Removal Tool Set. Introducing a 5-piece auto tool kit designed to make removing clips and fasteners easy, safe, and quick. Its innovative shafts provide the right leverage to prevent damage to your vehicle's panels. Crafted from high-quality, SVCM satin chrome-plated steel, these automotive tools are built for ultimate durability. They are designed to last through countless vehicle repair projects for years to come. This versatile trim panel set is perfect for most vehicles, helping you remove upholstery and panel fasteners with ease. They are also ideal for interior work on dashboards, stereos, and radios. Work on long projects without discomfort. Each tool features an ergonomically shaped handle with a soft grip coating, ensuring your hands stay comfortable throughout the job. This 5-piece set includes various sizes to meet all your fastening needs. You'll find the right tip for any job, including square notch, large and small V-notch, and U-notch tips. What we like. Featuring soft grip handles and unique pivot point shafts, these tools provide superior comfort and leverage for safe, efficient clip and fastener removal. If you often undertake lengthy repair projects and prioritize hand comfort and precise control, this 5-piece set is designed for you. It's ideal for anyone looking to minimize strain while maximizing effectiveness. What people say. They are built well and work great. Nice and sturdy and easy to handle. The grips hold firm with a rubberized feel and the metal is high grade. The design is well thought out and the structure enables firm torque to be applied. The variety of heads cover the full spectrum of pushpin design. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.